Hey friends, today we're checking out some ear protection. We've been doing a lot more woodworking in the garage lately, and I just need something to make sure I keep all of those really damaging levels of sound out of my ears. All right, let's check these out. So I picked up this set of ear protection on Amazon. There's multiple options, but this was the best price for the highest rating. You can see it's the SNR36db. I'll put links in the description box below if you'd like to check this out for yourself. So again, basically this is just noise reduction safety. Again, these are not going to be completely soundproof. So you do need to use a little bit of, again, safety if you're using really, really loud noises. Know that this isn't going to block every harmful bit of frequency. But here is what this has been tested up to. I'll let you pause the video if you'd like to look at that. There's a little bit of sizing information. And basically here are the size specifications. This is going to be the basic sizing for your average wearer. And then a few little ideas for what this is going to be good for. Again, shooting, construction, yard work, travel, those kind of things. You can actually use it, just if you wanted to have noise dampening for studying or travel. This isn't going to be noise cancellation, but it would be noise dampening if you just wanted something to keep things a little more quiet. Again, we're going to be using this primarily for construction and doing woodworking in the garage. So let's go ahead and pull them out of the box and get a look at them. All right, inside the box, we are going to get our warranty card, a little vinyl bag for storage and for travel purposes, and the actual earmuffs, which are enclosed in this plastic. Okay, out of the packaging, here is what the muffs look like. They are a real basic construction, I would say. Nothing that feels super heavy duty. In fact, they're very, very lightweight. You've got this plastic headband that goes obviously across and is adjustable. And then we have the major earpieces, which fit snugly completely over the ear to drown out noise. There's some cushioning inside. These do feel like a decent cushioning, which I know is going to be really important for comfort. And then you have obviously the main plastic piece that encompasses that earpiece. So these are fully adjustable on the outside, or at least adjustable out to about there. You can hear it kind of clicking. And on the side of the headband, as you're adjusting things, you actually have some number marker indicators as you're going up and down. You can hear it kind of clicking on these little notches here in the plastic to allow you to know where you'd like to adjust them to. And that's adjustable on both sides to make the band fit across your head. So let's go ahead and put these on and give them a test run. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the earmuffs on, and actually they feel pretty good. They're lightweight on the head. They are kind of snug, so they kind of sit up against the side of your head, but without squashing your ears. So they are decently comfortable, I'm gonna say, for a short amount of time. I don't think they're gonna be great for like a long airplane ride if you just wanted to use these as kind of noise dampening. I'd say in that kind of an environment where it's not really damaging to your ears, you probably want to use those little soft earplugs that you put inside of your ear canal. But again, just for short things like construction, to be wearing these for just a few minutes at a time, maybe even an hour at a time shooting, I think they're going to actually work and be fairly comfortable. Now again, I've got my mic kind of running up underneath this earmuff here, which is what you're seeing. But even with a wire kind of coming out, it feels really good, really tight against my head, and it feels like we're not getting a lot of sound that's kind of leaking in. The next thing to do is to try these out with some sort of piece of construction. I'm going to do a little bit of woodworking and see with a saw and see again how much my noise is reduced. There you go, friends. That is a really quick test with the saw. Now, normally this thing is really loud And man, this is doing an excellent job of dampening that sound, making it really tolerable to get some cuts in without feeling like my ears are going to start ringing. Again, there's a lot more testing to be done on these. We probably should do some shooting, a few of the things that have a really, really loud impact on your ears. We'll maybe do a 3-month, 6-month review test on these things, so subscribe. We'll have those videos coming up soon. But yeah, again, first initial review, I'm going to give them a big thumbs up. I really do like them. For short jobs, you don't want to keep these on for a long, long time because they probably could get fairly uncomfortable. But again, for quick jobs, I do like them. I like them. So link in the description box below at Amazon. Hit that thumbs up button if this video has helped, and we'll see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching.